this dark collision, I had nothing left to lose. You took your time to choose, then we told each other with no trace of fear that our love would be forever, and if we died, we died together. But I said never, 'cause our love would be forever. The world is broken and halos fail to glisten. You try to make a difference, but no one wants to listen. Hell, the preachers fake and proud. Their doctrines will be cloud, then they'll dissipate like snowflakes in an ocean. Love is forever, and we'll die together. I said never, 'cause our love could be forever.
I'm gonna go make you dinner, honey.
Oh. I'm so glad I married you.
Are you drinking again?
Yeah. Are you gonna put out, or are we going straight to sleep?
You suck. You're a bad husband. Honey, I'm home. I have a surprise for you. I wanted to say I'm sorry. Honey? Honey, where are you? I have a surprise for you, honey. Honey? 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 Honey! Ah! Alright, I'm done. Honey, you can stop acting now. Honey! Honey! It's not funny! Honey, it's really not funny! Honey! Is he freaking serious? Do you love me
Yes.
this much? Or infinity?
Infinity.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Are you sure you don't love me this much?
I'm positive.
You love me so much more than that much.
So much more.